Welcome to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike, and today we're going to be baking a turkey. I hope you can follow along. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me tell you where we started. Yesterday, we took the wrapping off, washed the turkey, little cold water, patted it dry with some paper towels, stuck my hands in there, pulled out the neck, pulled out the giblet, from the other side in a little bag. And then with this injector seasoning, this is a Cajun style butter garlic injection formula. Okay, you could buy any kind you want. We added a little extra spice. You have to shake it up good because you'll see all the spices are laying on the bottom. So you shake it up good. I like it a little spicy, so I put an extra little Tony Chachere's, couple of tablespoons in there, mix it, shake it all up real good, and sucked it up. And I injected the breast, legs, thighs, wings, until it was all gone, okay? Now, why didn't I put that in the video? It's simple, I did, and I accidentally erased it. Yep. Hey, we're not perfect, right? So today, and you know what, hey, it's not a big deal. You know how to inject. If you've never done it, it's really simple. You put the needle together, you suck the stuff out, you stick the needle in, and if you don't put the needle in far enough and it squirts out all over the place, you'll learn fast, believe me. What I'm gonna do is pat this bird dry with a paper towel. This is a rosemary garlic seasoning. We're gonna put that on the inside, and we have poultry and some paprika. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bird. I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons in there, okay? Just like that. It's not rocket science. And then I'll go ahead and put my onions and all that stuff in there. My garlic. Yay. And my celery. See if I can get all this stuff in there. And bay leaf. You gotta have your bay leaf, right? Hey, look, Southerners, man, we will put bay leaf in our toothpaste, okay? No, I'm kidding you. I'm just kidding you on that. You ever heard of bay leaf toothpaste? I haven't. But we do love our bay leaf, okay? All right, I'm pushing all this in that little cavity. Man, that's gonna look so good. I got my oven preheated to 325, by the way, and I lowered the shelf way down because this thing's gonna take up a lot of space in the oven. So, look, go ahead and make sure it's dry. Then, take a little oil and rub it around. That's why I have my gloves on. Now, why am I doing this? Well, first of all, this is going to act like a binder to help the seasonings to stick. And everybody loves a good crispy skin with a good Cajun flavor to it. Okay. The next thing is we'll go ahead and take our poultry seasoning. Now, if you are interested in knowing what this is, I'll tell you. This is Frank Davis's poultry seasoning. Frank cooked on WWL-TV. In many, many years, he had his own line of spices. Well, I happen to have a couple of these left over, and I'm going to use them. It's still good. It might not be as potent as, you know, brand new, but it's really good. So I'm going to sprinkle the skin with the poultry seasoning. If any of it falls in the bottom, hey, that's good, because there's going to be a lot of liquid down there anyway. And then we'll put on some paprika. I love the way people say paprika. Paprika. I mean, how do you say paprika? It's funny, right? So anyway, paprika is a pepper, by the way. I don't know if you know that. I'm sure a lot of you do, but paprika is an onion. It's an onion. It's a pepper, but it's kind of a sweet pepper. So basically, there is a bit of flavor coming off of this, but But presentation, oh, this is going to be great for presentation. All right. But you're not going to change your flavor of your bird by putting a lot of paprika on. So basically, we're ready to go, except for these thermometers. Now, let's talk about temperature. Now, this is a butterball turkey, and according to the instructions on the little sheet that came with the butterball turkey, it would be good to get your breast meat cooked to 170 degrees. I'm going to use the white thermometer for the breast, and I'm just going to stick it right in like that. Now this thermometer, the little one with the black top, goes in the thigh. So where do you put that? Right here. Here's your leg, comes around, here's the thigh. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven, and when the breast is right at about 170 and the thigh meat is about 180, it's going to be done, and I'm going to take it out and show you what it looks like. How long is it going to take? I'm not exactly sure. We're cooking at 325, and it may take 3 or 4 hours, but I'll definitely let you know, and I'll let you see what it looks like when it comes out, okay? So here we go. Lid's on. I'm going to go put it in the oven, and we'll see you later. Well, the bird is out of the oven. The turkey, it's got this house smelling so good, it's amazing. Look how dark and pretty it is. Isn't that beautiful? I want you to know, it took almost 4 hours. I had the lid on, remember, 325 degrees, and then about a half hour or so before the thigh finished up at 180, okay? So it was around 174, 75, somewhere around there. It only had like 5 degrees to go. And it took about a half hour. I pulled the lid off of the roaster and just let the turkey cook open. But I did increase the temperature to 350 at that point. And within just a half hour, it looked like this. It was beautiful, and all the temperatures were right, okay? So we achieved 180 degrees at the thigh and 170, and it went up to about 174 in the breast. So it's close to perfect as you can get. And then we let it rest and let it cool a little bit. And of course, we have some side dishes as well, because, you know, we're going to be eating this for supper. Now, remember, our side dishes include cornbread stuffing and melatonin dressing. If you don't know how to do those, look it up. I'll put a link in the description, and you'll be able to access those videos. So now, I just want to go ahead and cut me a piece. Man, that looks beautiful. Yeah. Cut a little piece there, and I really want to carve this breast the right way, but I'm just going to cut a little piece off just to eat it with a little gravy right now, because I love the breast. Okay, so I'm going to put that right here. Maybe my little drumstick as well. You know what, I won't eat the drumstick right now, but I will eat my piece of breast, and I made some gravy. So look at that, beautiful. I love some gravy. All right, let me move this out of the way. Let's go ahead and, oh, I can't, man, it smells so good, I can't wait. Let's see. Oh, it's cooked. It's cooked, but it is so tender and juicy. Usually you don't get a turkey breast this juicy. You know why? Because it's usually overcooked. And if you rely on those little pop-up timers, you get what you get. And the flavor is absolutely outstanding. The flavor is outstanding, unbelievable. Man. Wow. Hope you liked our video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell. That way you'll be first to know when our videos come out. Thank you again for tuning in to the Sanders Kitchen. Hope you have a great week. And as I always say, God bless you.